So can you guys, recording start. Anyway, we will continue 12.6, solving exponential and log equations. And tomorrow we will have a quiz on 12.6. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So this time will be better?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So 12.6, tomorrow quiz. So tonight you are going to finish the homework. Yeah. This is 12.6. You were not here on Thursday. That's why. Yeah, that's why. But yes, it is 12.6. Now, B is solving logarithmic equations. So solving logarithmic equations. So the one that we have for the quiz before is exponential equation, but this time is solving log equations. Oh, I think I have to share my desktop. Sorry. All right. Okay, so solving log equations. Let's see. Okay. Now, if you have log equations, we could use exponential or log cancellation property. Or so there are two things that we could do. Either we could rewrite. Well, actually, we have to simplify first. Simplify so that each side, left-hand side and right-hand side, contains only one expression. So each side has to contain only one expression, either a number or a log expression. Yeah. And the second one is use the log cancellation property. So there are two ways. Either we use the log cancellation property. Which cancellation property? A raised to the log base A of x is equal to x. So look at this. The base and this base of log and the base of exponent must match. Or rewrite using exponential notation. So either way would work. I think the cancellation property is easier. Yeah. And we're going to solve the resulting equation. All right. Okay. Now, once you solve, then check if the solution is in the domain of log, in the domain. So remember, the argument of log must be positive. Must be positive. Domain of log is positive number. All right. Okay, so let's do an example. All right. So, for example, solve. Number 1. Log base 4 of 2x minus 5 is equal to 3. So log base 4 of 2x minus 5 is equal to 3. All right. Now, do I have a single expression on the left? Yes, right? That's a log expression. Do I have a single expression on the right? Yes, that's a number. So log base 4 of 2x minus 5 is 3. How are we going to do it? Now there are two ways. You could rewrite using exponential notation or use the log cancellation property. So the easiest way is to use the log cancellation property. So what is the base here of the log? 4. So I'm going to take 4, raise it to the left side, is equal to 4, raise it to the right side. I think that's easier. So what is 4 raised to the left side? The logs will cancel, so I only have 2x minus 5. Yes, good. So this is log cancellation property. And if you rewrite it, we will get the exact same thing. What is 4 cubed? 4 times 4 times 4, that is 64. Yes, good. So 2x is equal to 69. So x is 69 over 2. What is 69 over 2? 34.5? Yes. Okay. Good. Now you have to check, is this a solution or not? So how do you check? So we just substitute here, right? So that's how you check. So 2 times 34.5 minus 5. Is it positive or negative? Remember, I need positive value here. So I need this to be positive. Is this positive or negative? Positive. So it is a solution. So this is a solution. Right? So it's greater than 0. So it's on the domain. This is positive. So basically what did I do? I just substitute here. Yeah, I'm not calculating the whole thing. I'm just substituting the value here. Okay, is it easy? Okay, good. Number 2. What about these? Log x minus log of x plus 7 is equal to negative 1. Now, I need to have one single expression on the left. So what am I going to do? What am I going to do? Well, then you have two expressions. So I have to condense this log. How do you condense this log? Log of x, what is it? This is minus, divided by just x plus 7, right? So not divided by log, but it's just x over x plus 7 is equal to negative 1. So would you remember this? Yeah? Okay. Now, do I have one single expression on the left? Yeah. What about one expression on the right? Okay. So how do I cancel the log? Then I have to see what's the base here. 10. Yes. So then I'll take 10, raise it to the left is equal to 10, raise it to the right. Okay. Good. What is 10 raised to the left? X over x plus 7. What is 10 to the negative 1? 1 over 10. Yes. So here this is no log, so we could solve it, can't we? Yes. Okay. So this is cross multiply. So 10x is equal to x plus 7. So x times 10, that is 10x. X plus 7 times 1, this is x plus 7. So 9x is equal to 7. Oops, I need a little bit more space. X is 7 over 9. Good. Now, is this a solution or not? So what am I supposed to do now? Plug it in here. Is this positive? When I substitute 7 over 9, is it positive? Yes, right? Okay, what about here? 7 over 9 plus 7, is it positive? So both positive? Yes. So 7 over 9 is a solution. So basically what you want to do is make sure that these ones are positive. Yes? This is a common log. If we don't write the log, then the base is 10. This is a common log, remember? Yeah. Yes, Carol. Yeah. So if just say this is negative 7 over 9. And then you check here, oh, it makes this negative. So this is not a solution. Yeah. So basically it's not in the domain. Right? Log of negative 7 over 9 is undefined. Yes. So when you have one undefined, everything is undefined. Yeah, that's right. So far so good? Continue. Next, number 3. What about this? What about if you have log base 7 of x plus 1 plus log base 7 of x plus 2 is equal to log base 7 of 6. All right. Okay, condense it first. So this is log with base 7. Now, think about it. How am I going to condense those two expressions? Yeah, so this becomes product, good, is equal to log base 7 of 6. Yes. What next? Oh, I have a single expression on the left, single expression on the right, so I could just cancel the logs, right? Okay, so 7 raised to the left, 7 raised to the right. Yay, okay. So what do you have on the left? Yes, x plus 1 times x plus 2. Of course, you could multiply it out, equals to 6. So what is this? X squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 6. Do we know how to solve this? Yes, so subtract 6 both sides, right? Okay. So we have x squared plus 3x minus 4 is 0. Now, is it factorable? X plus 4, x minus 1? Okay. So x is equal to negative 4 or x is equal to 1. Okay. So which ones are solutions? Are both solutions? So negative 4, what happens if I substitute negative 4 here? Yeah, so this is not a solution. So only one? Yeah, good. So this is not on the domain. Okay. Easy, right? Okay. Now, number 4. What about these? ln x minus 6 plus ln of x plus 3 is equal to ln of 22. So what is this? Right. Right. Good. So did everybody notice why we multiply? It is the sum of two logs. So it's the product, yeah, when you combine. Okay, good. Now, how do I cancel my ln? What does ln mean, actually? ln log base e. So if you want, I could rewrite this instead of ln. This is actually what? Log with base e. Yes. So same thing, ln and log with base e. So to undo the log, To cancel the log, we have to have e raised to the left is equal to e raised to the right. Okay. Yeah. So x minus 6 times x plus 3 is equal to 22. All right. Okay. Then what is this? Yes, is equal to 22. And then, oh, almost the same as the other one. Right? So this is minus 3x, the other one is plus 3x. Oh, no, I'm sorry, it's not. It's 40 equals 0. Is it factorable?
Yeah.
5 and 8? Yes. X plus 5, x minus 8. All right. So what's my answer here? Negative 5 or x is equal to? Okay. So x equals negative 5. Is it a solution? No. How about x equals 8? So 8 minus 6 is positive. 8 plus 3 is positive. So yes, this is the solution. So in Math Excel, if they ask you what is the solution, which one do you put? Only 8. Not on the domain. Is it easy? You guys want to try more?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So we should have a quiz now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So log base 3 of x minus 4 plus log base 3 of x plus 4 is equals to 2. And then number 6, we have log base 2 of x minus 2 plus log base 2 of x is equal to 3. Okay, so why don't you try it? This is not hard either. Wow, this is not a good quiz. You guys should study. Wow, you guys are lucky I can't put a quiz. Okay. So should I just throw it away? I'll discuss it. And then I'll burn it. Okay. But finish this first, and then we will discuss the quiz. So tomorrow I'm going to give you another quiz, okay? Yeah. So please come on time. Okay. So when do you plan to have a test? So maybe Wednesday next week?
Yeah.
Okay. So after Thanksgiving? Hmm? Yeah. Oh, you're going to make an announcement.
Oh, yeah.
So can you come here?
Okay, so you guys have Thanksgiving break and a lot of you guys haven't finished your hours. So these 3 days, Tuesday I'm gonna extend my hours from 12 to 3. So the last 12 we're gonna work on homework, so you guys will do it over Thanksgiving. And Wednesday is gonna be from 9 to 10:30.
So you want to write that down on the board?
Just this week? Just this week. How many people didn't finish their hours? I shared the
Oh yeah, a few days ago.
yeah.
So only this week?
Just this week.
Yeah. So Tuesday, yes, thank you. Yeah, put the date. Usually it's 12 yeah. Oh, are they supposed to finish before Thanksgiving?
In case something happens, they can stay over and they can finish their homework.
Okay. So on Wednesday too. Okay, thank you, Harvey. So yes, only this week. So tomorrow, 12 to 3. How many people don't finish their hours? How many hours more do you have? You haven't been going?
No, I just need them.
Oh, okay. So maybe you can ask Marlene how many hours you have. Yeah. And so Tuesday 12 to 3, Wednesday is 9 till 10:30, and also the regular session 12 to 1:30. Yeah. Okay. So just finish your hours and then get done with it. Now, number 5, what should we do here? Condense it. So what is it? Log base 3 of x minus 4x plus 4, okay, equals to 2. Oh, yes. So, yes, so 3 both sides, 3 raised to left, 3 raised to right. So what do we have? X minus 4, x plus 4 is equal to 9. So x squared minus 16 is equal to 9. Then? Okay, so, or you could bring the 25 over and then take square root both sides, right? Yeah. So, factor this? Yes. So, x is -5 or x is 5. Which one? Yes. Good. Good. So, -5 minus 4, that's negative number. So, that's why it's not a solution. Yeah. Next, same thing, right? Log base 2 of x minus 2 times x is equal to 3. So 2 raised to the left is equal to 2 raised to the right. So, yes. Yes. Right. Factor? Is it factorable? Yes. Or x is equal to -2. Yes. So let's see. 4 minus 2 is positive, and 4 also. So this is the solution. How about this -2? No. Okay. Finish. Okay. Now let's look at the other one. What happened to your quiz? What happened to your quiz? Okay. So number 1, it didn't have too much space, but we could do it here. Now look at this. This is 2 and 8. So you could actually write them using the same base, right? How do you write 8 using base 2? 2 cubed, that's 8. But what about 1 over 8? 2 raised to the negative 3. So this is what you're going to do. 2 to the x minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to the negative 3. Okay, then what? Yes, it says these two are equal. The bases are equal. What happens to the exponent? They must be equal. Yes, so x minus 1 is equal to negative 3. So x is equal to negative 2. Yeah, some of you did this, maybe 2, 3 people. Yeah. What happened? You guys forgot? Yeah. Yeah. You should get the same one, but you made a mistake. You cancel out the ln2. Yeah. So that's why it's not correct. This is okay? All right. Now, number 2. So I am going to do it here. But tomorrow I'm going to collect your quiz. Okay. So I am going to give you a quiz on exponential equation and log equation tomorrow. So please finish your homework today. Now, what was number 2? Let's see. Equals 37 to the x plus what? Oh, x plus 3. Yes. Thank you. All right. So what would you do first? Divide both sides by 2. Yes. So this is e to the x plus 3 is equal to 37 divided by 2 is, yes, good, 18.5. Now, can I write e and 18.5 using the same base? No, right? Of course not. One is e, the other one is 18.5. How can you? So I have to bring down the exponent. How do I bring down the exponent? Natural log both sides, so ln both sides. That's how we bring down the exponent. Now, so this is x plus 3 times ln e, and I'm missing something when I write that. What am I missing? What am I missing? Yes, so this is x plus 3 times ln e is equal to ln 18.5. Okay, what is ln e, by the way? 1. Okay. So x plus 3 times 1 is just x plus 3. Okay, good. Now, how do we solve for x? Subtract 3. So x is equal to ln 18.5 minus 3. This is the exact. So if I ask you the exact, then I should see this. ln 37 over 2 or ln 18.5 minus 3. Exact means the expression has not been evaluated. We haven't used the calculator, right? Now, how do we get the approximate? Well, this is when you use calculator. So this is the time we use the calculator, not before. So I need an expression in ln before. So ln 18.5 minus 3. So now I'm using my calculator. What's the answer? No. Negative what? Negative 0.082. So if you have 3 decimals, then that's it. So this is what do we call this answer? Approximate. So when is exact, when is approximate? When you haven't used your calculator, that is your exact. Yes? All right. Did anybody do it right? I think probably 2, 3 also. Not too many. Yeah, probably. Yes. I think you evaluate ln 18.5 in the middle or something like that. Yeah, because a lot of people did. And you're not supposed to. You're supposed to leave the ln until really, really at the end. Yeah, so at the end, then we evaluate. Oh, okay. Now the last one is 3 raised to the 2x minus 5 is equal to 7. All right. Now, can we write 3 in terms of and 7 using the same base? No. So what are we going to do? There's nothing to do unless we use the ln both sides. So ln, we have to bring down the exponent, right? We can't leave the exponent on top. So 2x minus 5 times ln 3, and I need my parentheses, is equal to ln 7. You know what? Let me remove this a little bit to the right. Let me move this a little bit to the left. Okay, move this a little bit to the left. Okay. Oh, anyway. Good. So, how do we continue? Distribute. So, 2x times ln 3 minus 5 times ln 3 is equal to ln 7. Yay, nay? Okay. Good. And let's isolate. We're solving for x, right? So we're going to isolate x. So what am I supposed to do? Yes. So we have to add 5 ln 3 to both sides, or bring it to the other side. So it's ln 7, and it will be plus, isn't it? Plus 5 ln 3. All right. Good. Okay, then how do we solve for x? We divide both sides by 2 ln 3. Yes. So the 2 cancel, the ln 3 cancel, so we have x. Yes. So this is your exact answer, ln 7 plus 5 ln 3 divided by 2 ln 3. This is your exact answer. What do I mean? I haven't used my calculator. Okay. Now, what is the approximate answer? This is your calculator. Remember, when you write using your calculator, this one should be parentheses, and this one should be parentheses also. Yeah, so let's see. ln 7, parentheses, ln 7 plus 5 ln 3, closing parentheses, divided by, open parentheses, 2 ln 3, close parentheses. So what's my answer? Yes, 3.38 what? 6, yes. This is approximate. Yes. All right. Is it clear? Okay. Let's do one more. Yeah. Just to make sure. Shall we? Okay. I have to do it below. Okay. Maybe let me erase this part, because I mean we did the quizzes here, right? So let me erase this part. So one more exponential. This is a little bit more because, so what number is it? Number 2, 3, 4. Yes. What about if I have 5 raised to the 2x minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to the x plus 2? All right. So what would you do? 5 and 2, can you write using the same base? No. So we just have to use ln both sides. We have to bring the exponent down both sides. Yeah. So this is a little bit longer. Why? Because you have x's on two sides. Yeah. So 2x minus 1 times ln 5 is equal to x plus 2 times ln 2. All right. So what next? 2x times ln 5 minus 1 times ln 5. What is 1 times ln 5? It's just ln 5 is equal to x times ln 2 plus 2 times ln 2. All right. Are we okay so far? Okay. Now I'm solving for what? X. How many x's do I have? Okay, so I have to bring them together, don't I? Okay. So put them on the left. All right. So 2x ln 5 minus x ln 2 is equal to ln 5 plus 2 ln 2. All right. Now what happens if I have two x's on the left? You factor it out, yes. So factor out the x. Good. And what are we left with when we factor out the x? 2 ln 5 minus ln 2. Yes. So this is ln 5 plus 2 ln 2. All right. Then what? Divide both sides by 2 ln 5 minus ln 2. 2 ln 5 minus ln 2. All right, so these cancel. So we get the exact. So the exact is ln 5 plus 2 ln 2 divided by 2 ln 5 minus ln 2. All right. Okay, so can I answer any questions right now? This is the exact. Now, you got to be careful when you answer the on calculator. So put parentheses on top, put parentheses on the bottom. So x is approximately, let me see what my calculator says, ln 5 plus 2 ln 2. And then divide by, open parentheses, 2 ln 5 minus ln 2. All right, what's the answer? 1.186. Okay, can everybody try on their calculator just to make sure it works? Yes? Yeah, are we good? Okay, all right. Now, if you want to have your quiz back, you can. The ones you turn in, you want to get it back? No? Just throw it away? Okay. But tomorrow you have another one though, okay? Yes. So this time you guys will be prepared? Okay, 12.6. Yeah, and I'm going to include one log. Okay? Yes, the one we just did, you see here, we have logs. Yeah. So both exponential and log. So I'm totally done with 12.6. Tomorrow we'll start to 12.7. Yeah. You guys are early. I mean, we could probably do binomial a little bit to help you with stats. By the way, how many people are going to take statistics? How many people are taking stats next semester? It doesn't matter, but you guys, who are going to take stats? For spring or winter or when? Oh, almost everybody. No, I will discuss a little bit of permutation combination, so it helps you in stats. Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah, a little bit intro probability. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Yeah. Yes, Alex. Oh, I have a test with you? Oh, yeah, I have your test. Let me give it back to you. Yes. You're right. You are right. Yes. Alphabetical order by last week. Okay. Yes. Gustavo? Still here? Yeah, last name. Gustavo, Kevin, Alex, Adam, Greg, Brenda, Victor, Julio, Johnny, Angela, Brandon Perez, Daniel, Danby, here, oh, she's not here. Julio, Brandon, who gets the highest score? 89, I guess. Yeah. Well, let's see the score. 93. 93, yeah. Okay, thank you. Oh, we have examples in class.
I know, there is no point. Yeah.
Well, what happened to this one?
And now I totally forgot.
Oh, it's complicated, right?
Yeah.
One complicated. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow. All right, so let me close this. Thank you, you too. And we are done with 12.6, solving exponential and log equations. So tomorrow we will start 12.7 and we will have a quiz on 12.6. Yeah? Okay.